Welcome back to Find Out the Freddys Security Breach. Where we left off, we saw the moon character. Hey, future me, run that back. Hey!
Naughty boy. Naughty boy. It's past your bedtime. You must be punished. Nighty-night.
And so yeah, now we're here. So now let's continue.
New friend, this area is off limits. You're gonna get us in trouble. Don't you want a puppet show? I have glitter glue. You like glitter glue? Googly eyes?
Oh.
No! What a mess! Oh, which was the bottom? Where is the top? Clean up, clean up!
And we're back. So we're at this part again, and there's that some character. I see him right there. So last time we took this thing, and the moon came out, so I was taking it again, I guess.
No! Why would you do that? Lights on! Lights on! I warned you! I warned you!
I feel really bad.
Naughty boy. Naughty boy. It's past your bedtime. You must be punished. Nighty-night.
Oh, and by the way, guys, keep on the shut up, Freddy. Keep on the lookout for a trolling video. I'm trolling as Sun and Moon from this game. Keep on the lookout. Back.
Do not know what you did, but the lights are out in the daycare. You need to find the emergency backup generators and turn them on. They are in the play structures.
Knock.
Oh my god, it's scary. Moon? You there, bud? Moon.
Bad children must be found.
But I'm not a bad child. I'm actually a really good child.
Good night.
I think I'm safe in here.
Bad children must be punished.
I haven't even seen you yet.
It's past your bedtime.
Oh god, oh god. I'd be very confused. Let me adjust myself real quick. There's no time. I'm wondering.
Children must be punished.
No, shut up. Shut up, shut up, shut up. I haven't even found one generator yet.
Knock, knock.
Where?
Bad children must be found.
Where is he?
Bad children must be punished. Bad children must be found.
Where is he? I don't know where he is, and I'm scared.
Bad children must be punished.
I haven't even found one generator yet. Am I watch I'm about to die?
How do you hide? Hide away. Bad children must be punished. Bad children must
Okay. So, problems. The flashlight battery runs out a bit too fast. Oh no. We're back here again. Oh my god! Just gotta recharge this.
No! No! Why would you do that? Lights on! Lights on! I warned you! I warned you!
Naughty boy. Naughty boy.
Uh-oh.
It's
That's bad.
past your bedtime. You must be punished. Nighty-night.
Okay.
Gregory, I do not know what you did, but the lights are out in the daycare. You need to find the emergency backup
can't say.
generators and turn them on. They are in the play structures.
Bad children must be punished. Knock, knock. It's past your bedtime.
thought that would change to Moondrop's thing. That's going down. I do not want to go down. Come on, where is it? Where is it?
Knock, knock. Children must be punished.
Dang it! I got stuck! This is so hard! Because your flashlight dies in this first part. And flashlights do not die that fast. Not this consistently. The frick? Listen, guys, you probably don't want to see this over and over again. I'll just cut it and, I'll just do a little special thing, like, I'll show all the times I died. But, cut it.
No! No! Why would you do that? Lights on! Lights on! I warned you! I warned
Naughty boy. Naughty boy. It's past your bedtime. You must be punished. Nighty-night.
Gregory, I do not know what you did, but the lights are out in the daycare. You need to find the emergency backup generators and turn them on. They are in the play structures.
Children must be found.
lights on! I warned you! I warned you!
Naughty boy. Naughty boy. It's past your bedtime. You must be punished. 99.
Gregory, I do not know what you did, but the lights are out in the daycare. You need to find the emergency backup generators and turn them on. They are in the play structures.
Bad children must be punished. Bad children must be found. Knock, knock. It's past your bedtime. Bad children must be punished. Bad children must be found. Bad children must be punished. Good night. Clean up, clean up.
area's off limits. You're gonna get us in trouble. Don't you want a puppet show? I have glitter glue. You like glitter glue? Googly eyes?
Children must be punished. Children must be punished.
What the? What? Is he allowed to come to the plaything? I don't know where all the generators are.
No, no! What a mess! Oh, which was the bottom? Where is the top? Clean up, clean up! Which was the bottom? Where is the top? Clean up, clean up! And I got a new friend. This area is off limits. You're gonna get us in trouble. Don't you want a puppet show? I have glitter glue. You like glitter glue? Googlyos? No! No! Why would you do that? Lights on! Lights on! I warned you! I warned you!
Jackie, get out of here.
Naughty boy. Naughty boy. It's past your bedtime. You must be punished. 99.
Gregory, I do not know what you did, but the lights are out in the daycare. You need to find the emergency backup generators and turn them on. They are in the play structures.
Bad children must be punished. It's past your bedtime. Knock, knock. Bad children must be found. Bad children must be punished. Bad children must be punished. Clean
Can't be falling close behind. There. Here. Ah! Hey guys, after a very long time of hell and torture, we made it. The daycare's back on. Oh my gosh. Save. I need to save, Never again. Hit that. I very much hate that. Get me out of here.
Rule breaker, rule
Hi.
breaker. You are banned from the
B-word.
daycare. Security alert! Security
I
alert!
hate you so much.
Gregory, jump in. We need to get out of
gotta
here
go.
now. They have found you. Go upstairs. And do not worry. They cannot find you while we are together.
Hi, Monty. Here, Roxy.
I bet you don't even have friends.
Jerk. Oh, what is this? The moon does not look that friendly. He looks like that. Terrifying. Oh, I'm so glad I'm fucking with all that torture. Took me forever.
We are almost out of time. We need to get to a recharge station immediately. Every hour the power is diverted to the recharge stations. When that happens, the lights go out. And when that happens, the daycare attendant is free to roam the building. It will find you.
It's past your bedtime.
That's not. That doesn't sound good. Oh. I'm not moving again. That's him. Oh, it's a bunny. What the heck? I can't move.
What was that?
That is a fountain. A fountain is a decorative reservoir used for discharging water.
Not the fountain. You didn't see the dancing rabbit lady right in front of us?
No, I did not. There is no rabbit at the Mega Pizzaplex. Not anymore.
This is crazy.
Bonnie?
It's like the whole place is trying to get me.
I am not.
Why?
I do not know. I want to help you. Maybe they want to help you too.
Maybe.
I doubt it. For some reason, you're different.
Yeah, a bit weird. Achievement unlocked, sleepover.
Good news. The front doors will open in 5 hours.
Good news? 5 hours? I'm not gonna last 5 minutes!
Do not panic.
no, no.
If we get separated again, you can always call me on your fast watch. As long as I have power. And I am able to reach you.
I'm gonna go back into the daycare. my god, he scared me. Let's save. Gotta always save. Are those legs? Weird. Woohoo, daycare time!
Security alert! Security alert! Woo, 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 woo!
Okay, never mind. Holy crap. What happens when I call to Freddy? Look at this. He doesn't look that friendly. No mission, Freddy. I'll go this way.
We should get moving. You can access the main atrium with your new security badge.
What's it? Keep following me, Freddy. The main atrium, what the heck does that mean?
Gregory, I have identified 2 possible exit points. The main loading dock is located under the food court on the 1st floor. There is also a fire escape in the 3rd floor prize counter. Check your fast watch. I will mark both locations on your fast map. It appears that you have no fast map. You should be able to obtain one from the greeter on the center balcony.
Oh, hold on a second. Let me get my phone out here. Dude. Oh, we're going this way.
Hi, please take this map. Take a map.
Wanna give me the map?
Thank you. Please enjoy. Free map.
Shut up. I hate you. Ready, where are you? Freaking son of a... I didn't know we were there. Hey, is that the main stage? What the? How the heck? Salads and sides? What's a badge? I'll take it. What?
No! Why would you do that? Lights on! Lights on! I warned you! I warned you!
Everybody okay?
Naughty boy. It's past your bedtime. You must be punished. 99.
Gregory, I do not know what you...
Okay, so we're gonna end it there, cause I... then just go in. I don't even know how to use my flashlight. Oh, hi. Oh, there.
It looks like you do not have security. I must warn you, when you enter an area where you do not have a locator map signal, I will be unable to reach your location. You can update your minimap at a security office. Be safe.
Oh, here. Save, save, save. Always gotta 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 save. No. How do I? Which one's my flashlight? How do I use my flashlight? Hold on. Technical difficulties. And we're back. Never mind. And we're back. I figured out how to get out my flashlight. No, let me in! I can't get in! Ah! No, come on! I just got done with this stupid. I just got done with the stupid sun. Now I gotta deal with this. God dang it! I hate my life. This is gonna be so hard to finish. Probably, possibly even harder than Cuphead. Oh no, Cuphead. I completely forgot about it. That was gonna be hard. I got this, guys. Don't worry. Do 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 do. If I'll try it 3 more times, then I'll just cut to where I make it, because this is annoying as frick. I can't jump in the vents! Why can I not instantly just go back? Instantly, please. Instant. Instant. We'll be right back. When I get in that stupid vent. Kill me now. Gonna start recording at least. we made it to... Oh gosh. What? Where?
Your family is looking for you.
My God! Sorry guys for being quiet. I was like, oh my gosh. I won't cut the music thing in. I won't, sorry. It's kind of annoying that I couldn't go into the vent, you know? Oh, yes, I'll take that. Ooh, Chica loves pizza. Can I use this to distract her? Ah!
Are you there? I'm trapped. Chica found me and there's only one security door.
How unfortunate. But I have good news. It looks like you can access the Fazbear Online Pizza delivery system through that console.
What? How is that supposed to help?
Chica loves pizza.
Welcome to Freddy Fazbear's Mega Pizzaplex Quick Delivery Virtual Ordering System.
Aye.
Congratulations, you have qualified for a free Supreme upgrade. Additional charges may apply. Let's get started. You are now in control of one of our highly qualified pizza-making staff bots. Follow the instructions on the left side of your screen to force the bot to make your perfect mouth-watering pizza.
Yum, delicious
How would you
sauce.
rate your
This don't need some
experience so
sauce.
far? That's great to hear.
It is now time for some
let's
cheese.
get started.
Yum.
Would you like to take a short survey about your experience?
Let me take you to your parents. Are you lost? Gregory!
Error. This pizza does not live up to your strict
Yum,
standards.
delicious
Let's
sauce.
toss it in the
This
bin
don't need
and
some
start again.
sauce.
Your family is looking for you.
It is now time for some cheese. Yum.
Your parents want you to follow me. My friendly security staff can help. Come on.
Let's get some delicious meat.
Don't worry. You're safe with me.
Now it is time for the not meat stuff.
Employees only. Take you to your parents. Are you lost?
Time to bake. An oven would be ideal.
This area is off limits.
Delicious. To ensure a safe and timely delivery, our cutting-edge pizza tracker allows you to deliver the pizza to your own home or residence. Additional mileage charges may apply.
Oh my gosh. Sorry,
Your pizza has been delivered. How would you rate your service? Pick two that apply.
bad. Really bad. Okay, so, good news. Sorry guys, I wasn't talking. I really had to focus during that part. Did you see how close my power was to failing? Oh, jeez. scary. No, chicken's dead. Level 3? Man. Level 3. Please. No. I'm back. So here we are. Still not completely sure. It is still loading down control. There's the ducks.
Your family is looking for
Uh-oh. Oh no no.
you to your parents.
Oh no. Great. Just great. Alright. Oh dear.
Stop.
Alright, so we're gonna end it there. I'm kinda stressed out right now. So, bye guys, I hope you enjoyed and look out for part 3.